It's your girl Peach here. Today we're going to do things a little bit differently. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys where my hair started. And what better yet to start off with, a length check. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. So, I have here a tape measure. So we're going to start from 0. I'm going to start from the top of my head. And y'all got to excuse me, this is my first time doing this. So, let it drop. Okay, so I probably need some help doing this, but basically I'm going to measure where my hair is when I stand up straight. Alright, so place my finger there, and I would say it's about 19 inches. I'm going to take you guys through my natural hair journey. This is me as a baby. I was born February 23rd, 1977. I didn't have a lot of hair back then, but I also didn't get a lot of hair until I turned about 3 years old. This is me at age 5 in kindergarten. I got a little bit of hair, not a lot, but enough to get the job done. I know I started getting relaxers right after this picture because it was about 6 or 7 is when I started to get relaxers. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. I don't have any pictures of me of junior high, when I was a younger child. I don't know. But needless to say, I did wear my hair a lot of those mullet hairstyles where it was pretty short in the front and long in the back. That's pretty much what I rocked in junior high. Moving on to high school. Now, in my high school years, I pretty much rocked the same hairstyle. It was either this hairstyle, all over pretty much the same length. So it would be either below my ears, like right at the ear, or at the neckline. That's how I rocked my hair, always with a side part. I don't know, I just always thought I looked better with a side part. So I pretty much continued this same process throughout my adult years as well. Same hairstyles. Every now and then I did something a little different, but nothing major. I might throw in a couple of braids. I might, do some type of a twist out type style. Will it be curly? But I never really got away from the relaxers. I never really shied too much away from the same hairstyles. So one day I was really, really busy. I was gonna miss my perm relaxer. So I decided, that's fine, I'll do something else with my hair. And then that turned into another month, and then another month. And I just decided I'm not going to go get my hair done. And I started looking on YouTube and looking at these women, these girls. They're all going through something they call their hair journey, something they call big chop. I was like, what is the big chop? What are they talking about? So after doing some research on this, I figured, why not? Why not? If I don't like it, I could always get a perm. So I discovered that big chop is when you cut your hair, basically taking off all the permed ends and just starting your growth journey from there. Or you can choose to transition, and that's basically just letting your hair grow out and cutting your ends a little bit at a time. I chose to go the transition route. Now, after transitioning for so long, you do get to a point to where the products don't work. Your hair has that line of demarcation where you have the permed ends, and at the top you have the new growth. So you can't even see your hair's true potential because you're like two different textures in your head. So even if your curls were trying to curl, it's being weighed down by the straightened hair. So it's very hard to do anything with that. Also, the products you use, they're different products. Some products work on your natural hair. Some products will work on your perm or relaxed hair. So now you got these products that you don't know what to use. Your hair is fighting each other. It's ridiculous. So this is what I decided to do. I decided to let my stepdaughter cut my hair. I just need those perm ends cut off so I can see what my hair would actually do what was the texture actually like? I had no idea. So this was me being frustrated. And this was her taking advantage. No, I'm just kidding. She did good. She did good. She just likes to take pictures with those funny faces. So here you're going to see me trying some different styles. On May 1st, 2017, I tried doing a twist out, half up, half down, with a little bit of bangs. My hair was pretty short. And then I decided to try another look on the 5th, 4 days later. Basically, it's just my famous side part, and I have 2 French braids, also with the back having the little curls showing. I thought, ooh, my curls are popping, curls are popping. I wanted to do something different with my hair. So on May 9th, 2017, what I did was I set the front with some perm rods. I also went ahead and just twisted up the sides. Had me a nice little mohawk. I thought I was doing something, okay? But then I got to thinking, I think I want to go ahead and get this done professionally. So this was the professional cut that I got on September the 26th, 2017. The reason why I went ahead and got it done professionally is I wanted to make sure that I had all the perm ends cut off. I wanted to see exactly what my hair would really do with everything gone. I also wanted to get the advice of someone who does natural hair, someone who may know more about the products that will work best for my hair, because at this point I have tried different things, different products, and it just wasn't working for me. I want to say I was using the Eco Styler gel. I was using a lot of Shea Moisture products, but I wasn't understanding that my hair liked the gel better than it liked any of the creams. I was just trying to figure out, will it not curl with the cream? Is there some other gel out there? And she introduced me to the famous Kinky Curling, and this is the cut that she gave me. Yes, I'm loving this cut actually. It had to kind of grow on me because of course I was used to my hair being longer, so this look was totally different for me. But I did want to say that she did a good job, and introducing me to my bae, Kinky Curling, that was it. Guys, I know you're going to see me use my favorite product, Kinky Curling. I love this product so much, but here I want to describe my hair. I saw that it was trying to get the shape that I was looking for now. It no longer was that cut that you had to come up with a style with just because, you just first went natural. Now it's kind of giving me that bob feel, when I used to wear it when I was younger, just it wasn't relaxed. So I was kind of used to this style, and I felt like this was more of me. Okay, so you guys, you'll see here, it's starting to get more of that shape that I like, more of that bob look, something I was used to. So just with curly hair, this is the time that I was like, yes. Now, then I'm going to show you this other look. It's basically a couple months later, so, it's starting to grow more, and I'm trying new things, my twist outs and things like that. Okay, so fast forward to about a year from then, my hair has reached a lot of growth. Now, looking at that a year even after that, now it's gotten exponential growth. I just wanted to do this video just to kind of let you guys know it's okay. Alright, it's fine when you try different products, you succeed, you fail, it's all good because we're all learning together. Nobody has all the answers. Nobody does, because we're all individuals. So some things may work on this person, some things may work on that person, but it doesn't matter because we're all individuals. And we have to learn to respect that about ourselves. Going through this journey has taught me a lot about myself. I went from a person who didn't even wash their own hair. I'm telling you, I didn't. I had my sister do it. She's a hairstylist. So, for a long time, I wasn't even washing my own hair. So when I went through this journey, it taught me how to care for my hair. It taught me to even be more aware of taking my vitamin. As crazy as that may sound, okay? But it taught me a lot of things about myself. And it actually taught me to learn to love myself even more, because a lot of times in society, we have people who talk about our hair and they'll say, "Oh, you got a lot of hair. Ooh, it's so much. Oh my gosh, there's so much to deal with." You got that. Then you got other people who come at you and they'll be like, "Oh, your hair, it's so big. It's, ooh, oh, it's nappy." I say to those people, and I have to continuously say to myself, I am enough. I am beautiful the way that I am. I don't have to be permed. I don't have to be straightened. I don't have to be anything but me. Yes, my hair can be versatile and it can do all these wonderful things, but I need to respect and love the fact that it can do these wonderful things. Society has put upon us, especially as black females, that our hair is not good. Our hair is something wrong with it. And there's nothing wrong with it. The way you were born, the way you were made, was meant to be just as it is. So, walk with me through this journey, because I'm still walking through it. I still don't have all the answers. But if you watch my channel, you'll see me try different things, try different styles, try different looks, try different products, try different tools. It's all about getting to know and learn your own hair. So I thank you guys for watching. Bye.